10:30 a.m. Pretty much just woke up, got ready, slept in today. This is sea day number 1 of 2 on the way back. Tonight's elegant night. We're just gonna tan. And that's it. Just kind of play it by ear. Take it hour by hour. Definitely want to get another Guy's Burgers today for lunch. I'm not hungry right now though. That's you.
That's a doggy.
All right.
Look at that.
Well, it looks like you have just created another animal. So on the count of 3, Carnival cousins,
That's
Carnival family, what have you created? 1, 2, 3. Not a rabbit. It's a puppy. Give yourself a round of applause. You just created a puppy. So now you can go ahead and take some more photos and really now, for now, you could go ahead and name that puppy. Name that puppy. Look at the puppy closely.
Appreciation of that. Absolutely there is. Because there is no one else I would let touch this microphone. This is how I was brought up, was to appreciate the fact that I'm very lucky to live the way I get to live. I also feel very lucky because not many people my age can say their granddad. Well, actually, I'm very lucky to say, walk down here and touch wood. That's a very English thing to do. We got 4 of my grandparents at home hanging out right now, and my granddad on my...
They're juicy.
Yeah, I got you.
Here we are, back with more Pig and Anchor and Guy's Burger. This is the ringer. Who? No way.
All right, and we're going in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! You gotta stop again. Come on, Jeremy. She's going. She's got a leg. Now you gotta get it.
Okay, we just got our butts kicked at Harry Potter trivia and Seinfeld trivia. Harry Potter I understand because I don't know much about Harry Potter, even though we binge watched the movies.
You're just not young enough to know all of it.
Yeah, and we never read the books, and there are some die-hard fans out there. Seinfeld, I'm surprised I didn't know more. I just binge watched all seasons, but I slept through some of them, so.
We also did dishes.
Yeah, I would also do chores during them. But we got our butts kicked. Tomorrow's The Office trivia, so hopefully we do much better with that, since I've watched The Office like 3 times. So. Now we're gonna get ready for Elegant Night Part 2. Take some more pictures because we have the Pixels package, and we have to choose 5 of them to digitally download and 1 to print. One of those 5, yeah, one of the 5 we get print version. How big? 16 by 10? 16 by 20. What did she say? 16 by 10, right?
No, 16.
Only then do you get to be part of the
8 by 10, 16 by 20?
Yeah.
It was something big. It was huge, yeah. The frame doesn't come with it. It comes rolled up in a tube, but that thing was big. get some good grub, watch the Celestial Strings show. Apparently everyone hypes, raves about it.
Yeah?
We're also really good at doing taxes.
Okay.
Are we gonna go stand in line 30 minutes earlier?
Yes, we are, because I want good seats. I want good seats.
We did get good seats.
So I wanted to be there by 6:45.
What time does it start?
7.
We'll be there by
6:30.
Enjoy the great taste of
Well, you better get ready. Hop, 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 hop.
Listen to celebrity decorators.
Get ready. Come on, get out of bed. Yeah. It's gonna take her like 3 hours to get ready.
You're gonna be glad you waited. I won't look like a tag anymore.
Thank you.